The newest research reports prove that food systems are responsible for around 30% of greenhouse gas emission in Europe. Food impacts have increased significantly in the last decades, with animal-based products representing around 70% of the impact. Those data show that there is an urgent need to change consumption toward more sustainable. Food Bank in Olsztyn and Auchan in Poland join forces to tackle this issue. Within the Success Project, educators and experts design a concept for a series of sustainable shop-and-cook workshop in real-life retail setting and training kitchen. We will invite consumers to supermarkets to train them how to improve the environmental impact of a grocery shopping list by swapping and identifying in-store products for a more sustainable menu. How to identify plant-based alternatives for today's dinner? How to read labels? Does the best before date really matter? Food waste and food loss is responsible for around 7 to 10% of greenhouse gas emission. How to reduce it during our daily grocery shopping? Why not choose misshapen fruits or veggies? But aware shopping is only one side of the coin. Consumers need to know how they can proceed products from supermarkets into healthy meals.
According to scientific research, one of the most common obstacles which people face when they want to reduce meat consumption is lack of skills in preparing tasty vegetarian meals. So we created workshops with our chef, which will show participants how to cook dishes by using recipes, purchase sustainable products and appropriate spices. They will find out how to reduce meat consumption in practice by replacing all meat products with plant-based alternatives. Our chef will also show participants that some parts of fruits and vegetables which we usually throw away can be safely eaten, and will also tell them how to use leftovers to prepare other dishes. Participants find out how wisely manage food supplies to reduce food waste at home. In addition to cooking, we want to learn participants how to plan meals and create a shopping list containing sustainable products.